Okay, it's time for today's CSS Battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. Let's... let's... Yeah, sod it. Let's use a nested template. Background of body is this. Background of that is this. And now let's bring in some margins to get... Let's give it a height first. So 20 to 80, 60. That looks good. Okay, that should get us that top block. Let's add one element. Thirty to 70, 40. Hopefully that will work out in the end. Let's just bring its margins in to be on the left. Oop, no. That number is a 0. So 20, 20, 10. No, that's not going to change anything. Let's leave that like that. I wish that would work though. Right hand side 200 and 80, 90, 310. 310 is good. That fits perfectly in there. Okay. Then we're going to pink. Uh, 0, 100. And 0, 200. Yep, and yep. We set this one to this pink. We set this one to this grey. That gets us the 3 lines. Then we copy this. And we swap the colours about. Okay. Now we need a few more on this one, so actually let's set colour to the pink. Then we can take out this. So let's do all the pink ones first. So 100 pixels. Oh no, 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 no. Yes. No, 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 no. That one was the grey. This one is the pink. Let's take that. No. No, this one is the pink. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Now we want 100 pixels 0. No, that's not 100. 120, 130, 140, 150 maybe. 150 looks good. And then that got all of those. And then and that gets all of those. Then we'll do the greys, which will be 50 pixels, 100 pixels, and 300 pixels, 100 pixels. And we need to add the grey to those. There and there. That should be a match. Fingers crossed. That is 100%. Is there a better way we could have done it? Maybe using 3 Ps? Could I have done... Let's make that a height of 40. temporarily take out this box shadow. Then we'll make a third P. Then we can cut this box shadow down a bit. Mostly by going do. What have I just done? I should only need that and that. Okay. That's more like it. Now, if we take this, we put that there, then we can also get rid of that bit. And I think, oh no, I'd still want that. Yeah, I'd still want a negative. Yeah. Okay. Let's minify that and unit replace and submit. Now, is there a better way we could have done that? Well, possibly. How about we use 3 elements again, but this time round we use some radial gradients inside them. So let's start with a P. Body's background can be this colour, and then I'm going to have to fix that template. Those 2 extra spaces are annoying. Let's set this background to red to start with. And then we will give it a height of 60. Margins of 20 on that one. $18, $12. Yeah, that makes sense. Border radius of 30 pixels. a radial gradient var f or pink 20 pixels. Then var b or grey for the rest. We'll do 1q and then we'll do 0, 0, 150 pixels is probably about right. Do minus 40 pixels. Minus 50? It's minus 45, isn't it? That gets all of those nicely. So isn't that good? Now second P. We'll shift with some margins. We still want 12 from the sides, but we want a larger top margin, maybe 120. $130, $140. And that gets the top and the bottom. Now for the middle, set the background to pink, and we set the foreground to grey. Okay, I think that might just be shorter than our other way. Maybe. Just a little bit. Let's check that it's 100% first. And it is. I could probably fiddle with the margins a lot, but let's not bother. Let's just do that, and then minify, unit replace, and submit. Can I see any more things that we could do? Nah. I think that's probably as good as we're going to get. So I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.